एक्चुअली ना 2-3 दिनों से मैं अपने थंबनेल को चेंज करना चाह रहा था वाया यूट्यूब क्रिएटर स्टूडियो, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू चेंज दैट। तो मैंने सोचा यार अपने फ्रेंड को बोलता हूँ, शायद वो कर दे, एंड ही इज़ ऑल्सो फेसिंग द सेम इशू। देन आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट विल बी हैपनिंग राइट नाउ ऑन क्रिएटर स्टूडियो. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, we're going to talk about a small bug that appearing right now on YouTube Creator Studio, and all the people who are just using their smartphone to change the thumbnail, to change the title, to change the description, and a lot of things that we are doing on the YouTube Creator Studio. And right now we are not able to do that particular stuff through our smartphone. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about that how we can do that and how we can fix that particular problem still using the YouTube Creator Studio. So before you're going to jump into the video, make sure you just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification while I upload any new video, right? And if you got value from this video, please share this video to another people as well. See, so to got that particular problem solution, I got two ways, not actually four ways. Number one thing is that I have to go through the Google Chrome and open in desktop version, and then I just change everything that I want it to be. It's a too long process that I can't do on a daily basis, so I'll got like, I think I don't have to go for that. Second thing is that still using the YouTube Creator Studio, we can change all the thing, thumbnail, that already we are doing, and we are so much good in that. And see what actually I just have talked to my friend. I just say yaar change to ho hi nahi raha, what we have to do. Then actually why this bug appear, all the people who just updated the YouTube Creator Studio, this bugs appear in this updated version of YouTube Creator Studio. So all the people who just updated their YouTube Creator Studio, they are going to get that particular bug. But still we can, how to remove that particular bug in our phone. So the very first thing is that I'm going to talk about, even not going to talk about, I'm going to show you basically how we can change, right? That's going to be better now. So let's deep dive in the video. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you that how you can do that. Let me show you also that which kind of issue that we are facing while we have to change our thumbnail. For example, if I go to here, and if you're going to go here, and if I have to change the thumbnail, okay, so just tap on that, and if you're going to change this one, right, selecting, then this save option is not working. Right now let it show you that how it works. So I just have to tap cancel, right, do cancel with discard. Now I'm going to show you that how it works. So the number one thing is that you can do, you can either change anything to your title. For example, I mean you have to include or remove any something from your title. For example, I'm gonna include here this one, right? So as I included this one, this will be the save option will be appear, and I can save this one, right? So this is the first method that you can do to save your, you can say that thumbnail as well, right? Second thing that I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to show you basically, you have to add in playlist. For example, you just go there and you just tap on this again save option is not working. But if I'm going to here, and if I choose any playlist, like if I'm gonna take it on what you can say that mind, okay, and just tap to you, this again save option is working, right? So you can do with that one as well. And now the third one I'm gonna share you, or even gonna show you that how you can change your thumbnail, right? For example, if I'll be here and just I'm going to take my thumbnail as well, where it is. I'm so sorry for that. I have changed this one, and let it change after some time. Let it we go for this one, right? So and next one I'm going to talk about that what we can do. So you can tag here Rahul Bhatnagar sir, okay. Even I have already written somewhere, but still I'm gonna write it down. Okay, so as you write it down, and the most important thing is that even if you not write it down also it works. The main thing is that here you got public, unlisted, private, schedule option. So if you have your public list, then it's okay. Then just tap on unlisted. Okay, so as you tap on unlisted, and I think I have to include here Rahul Bhatnagar sir, right? But I'm so sorry for that, it's not working here. I'm literally amazed because I have did this one as well, but let it go for this one and just change it one like private. Yeah, it's fine. So you can change the mode for that particular time, and you can again let it back. For example, I just wanted to take it in from private mode to public mode. Just tap on that and you got the save option, right? And so that's all about that you can do. And also I just want to change this one as well. I don't want it to be in mind playlist. I just want it to be the learning from others, and where it is learn from others. So in this playlist I just want it to be this video, and then you got the enable save option. So that's all about, right? So I hope you got the value from this. So that's it for as of now for this particular video. I hope you got the value. I mean, how you can change the thumbnail, title and text kind of thing just through using your Creator Studio as well, because we are facing this kind of studio, but still we can change that, right? So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value from this video, and if you got the value from this video, please share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.